One of the weaknesses that most foldable phones lack is the cameras. While they typically have a good number of cameras, but they're not always able to stand with the top cameras, except for that of the OnePlus Open. It doesn't seem like Samsung is planning to make any changes by offering Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Ice Universalis, a leaker with a decent experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come with the same camera like Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which means that it will have a main camera of 50MP and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel zoom with 3 times optical zoom, as well as a 10MP cover screen camera, and a camera with 4MP that is built into the foldable display. It's not a bad setup, however. To not see any changes would be disappointing, particularly since these are similar cameras that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 features. This would be the third time in a row using the same camera equipment. Naturally, we consider this news with a pinch of salt. However, we've seen similar claims reports from Tech_Rev, another leaker with a good experience. And he also stated that an update is being planned for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Most folding phones aren't equipped with top-quality cameras. But it does not mean that Samsung could afford to using the same equipment every year, particularly because this year has been an excellent year for smartphones that fold. The competition for Samsung's foldable phones is only going to increase until 2024. For several years, it was difficult to find any great phones that foldable, aside from Samsung's. That may have left Samsung thinking it had become uninvolved. But the market is quite different today. The OnePlus Open to the Google Pixel Fold, as well as the Motorola Razr Plus, to list a few options for folding cameras that will be available in 2023. Samsung is now facing a lot of rivals. In order to stand out, the company has to stand out, something that using the same camera for an additional year may not. However, there is always a chance for Samsung to make lots with its software in order to better the quality of its image processing. But there's much more to foldable phones than their cameras. Some features are expected to change with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's likely to come with the most powerful processor for the first time, and we are aware Samsung is currently working to protect future foldables from dust according to leaks. The Z Fold 6 might have an altered aspect proportion for its screen cover, which would make it more narrow. These don't seem like major upgrades, and if it's the only thing Samsung is planning, it's possible that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might be unable to compete with the top foldable smartphones.